So, welcome to our lesson, the inserting styles in CSS. So, we have three ways in inserting styles. So, first, we have the inline by using the style attribute in HTML elements. In the internal, so by using a style element in the head section. And the third one is the external by using an external CSS file. So, I have here an example already created. So first we have the inline style sheets. Style information goes around text much like the old-fashioned font tags. So like the old font tags, the style only applies to that text. So this style is the weakest implementation of style sheets. So most commonly used when using layers or the IB tags or span tags. So create your HTML file. So I already created. So this is my example in my inline tag style. So create a new file in an HTML form. Then add the style here in your span to make a design in your text. So when we open it in a browser, that's how it is. Second one is the internal style sheets. So also called an embedded style sheet. Style information goes in the head section of the document. So I have here my example. So these are the internal style sheets. So styles are available to use on other text in this document. Styles are not available for use in other documents. So when we open it in the browser, you can see the text have style. The third one is the external style sheet. So the external CSS file, an external file holds the style information. So when we say external file, we have to make a new text document, which is the CSS file. So the HTML file contains a link to that style sheet. So we use a link to connect to the other document. So the styles contained in the external style sheet can be used by all of the files on your site. So in Notepad, this is the Notepad, create a new file called style sheet. So I already created it for my example. When you create a new file, just save as, then add the CSS format, then save. You have to declare in your HTML file your CSS file to link it together. So when we open it in the browser, how it is. So that's all in inserting styles in the CSS.